will take around 10 minutes. You see that lady with the dog? That lady used to come here at the same time almost every day. See? Hey everyone, so right now I am going to visit the doctor for the second time for my skin issues, because as you know, if you have seen my previous vlog, that I was suffering from some skin issues here near the chest area and at the back side. So today is my second visit. Okay. The problem is that if I ask for 1 hour or 2 hours of leave from office, they say take sick leave, but we will not give you the 1 hour or 2 hours of leave. If you are not well, you want to visit the doctor, take a sick leave, full day leave. But I don't want to take full day leave. I just wanted 1 or 2 hours of leave. So what I thought of, that I will go to the doctor during the lunch break. So that lunch break is here, but at the doctor's place there is no lunch break at that time. I confirmed with the receptionist, so I am going to do that. I don't have to take full day sick leave. Shabbas beta. So let me show you the weather today, how it is. You remember Tomare? I would say that if you have not watched my previous vlogs, then better you watch those, because few vlogs are interconnected also. For example, just now I showed you Tomare. So what I explained what Tomare is in my previous vlog when I was going to Starbucks for drinking that Sakura drink. So if you are watching somebody's vlog, then it's better to watch all the vlogs. Otherwise you will not understand few things here and there. So it's better to watch regularly so that you stay connected with what's going on.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
Take the laptop also if I get late. So you can see that's the Yamato van. The van that I just showed you is the van that comes to pick up couriers and all, you know. For example, if you are returning a product from some delivery app, so yeah, then that time Yamato van will come. See, people are roaming around. I want you to let me know in the comment section whether would you like to take a sick leave for whole day if you want to visit the doctor for 1 hour or 2 hours. You see that lady with the dog? That lady used to come here at the same time almost every day, and that is the place she lets her dog be fresh. For example, he passes a stool and he does pee, everything he does there. That is the place where even if that dog passes a stool and pees, and if she doesn't clean, it doesn't matter, because it's a huge area. See, nobody's going to see that who did what. But still, if nobody is there, even if nobody is there, I was looking at from far off distance that day, and she cleaned her stool and she cleaned her toilet with the water, and then she went away from there. That's how Japanese people are concerned about cleanliness and the rules of the country. So it is important as a citizen to take the responsibility of cleanliness and other things. For example, if others are doing, I am not going to do that. This should be the responsibility. This is how we should take the responsibility of ourselves. Don't worry about others, whether others are keeping the city clean or not, doing this or not. No, just take your responsibility, and if everybody takes his or her responsibility, then the work is done.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
Okay, let me see how much time they are going to take, because I don't have more than 45 minutes now. Let's see. Let me park. Oh, shit. Meanwhile, I thought of checking some office tasks.
Do this now.
Well, the checkup is done and they gave me the medicine for 2 more weeks. So let me go to the pharmacy and take the medicine. Well, if you remember from last time, I came to this pharmacy. Right? Our truck is going. Alice Pharmacy. But this time I am thinking to go to that pharmacy. If it's not visible to you, let me go there. So let's go to this pharmacy this time. Okay, car is coming. I should stop. Okay, it stopped. So yeah, let me go here. Okay, this is the parking area of this pharmacy, cycle parking area. See, such a huge pharmacy, so many. There he is giving the medicine. Very big pharmacy, very big. So not only pharmacy, you can see here that these kind of products like jewelries and all are also available here.
Why you're always trying so hard to make me surrender? Why you always in my face?
See, the price of this cashew and almonds is 537 yen, means around 300 rupees. It is fine, right? They said we have English medical history questionnaire form, so they gave me the English one, so I took the English one. Yeah, who will read Japanese here? Well, they told me that it will take around 10 minutes, so I'm waiting here, but it's a very clean and very beautiful area. Okay, so the medicines have been taken. Open the door. Okay, let me go back now. I think they're playing lawn tennis. Let me go and see. Yeah, lawn tennis. It's a very nice ground. I also feel like playing. That's where I came and see. This is some swimming pool, I think. Fountain or swimming pool? No, it's not swimming pool. Let me give you one amazing view. Well, it takes a lot of energy and efforts to go up the slope, so I am walking. What a nice view, and much more nicer view is going to come now when I will go down the slope. See, from here I came, and now I'm going to go down from here. What a view, very beautiful, mesmerizing view, right? This is Japan, and this is my cycle and my bag. I want to capture myself also with this beautiful view, so I am capturing myself also. This view is amazing, right? You know that when we buy a new computer, the default desktop that we have there, so this is that kind of view. When you see it live, it's next level, and I'm assuming that through phone also you are liking it. So write down in the comment section and let me know what do you think about this view. Let's go. How was it? Good now? Amazing feeling.
Why you're always trying so hard to?
Well, just to show you this view, I came from a long distance route, but it's fine. I wanted to capture that view and show it to you also, and wanted to keep it for myself also in my videos, so that I can watch it anytime I want. Lesson that we need to learn from this video or from Japanese people, one of the things that we can learn from them is that we need to take responsibility for ourselves, and rest, everything will fall into place. So just take responsibility for your deeds only, for your work. Right, on this note, I would like to end this vlog here, and if you like the video, like it, subscribe to the channel.